Well, it's day 16. I'm up and ready to go. It's 7. I'm leaving an hour later than I wanted, but that's okay. I was just sleeping so comfy, I kept hitting my snooze. So, all right, we're gonna go about 13 miles today, and we'll find a camp then. So let's get started. I'm wandering around through this campground looking for this bridge. I found it. And while I'm wandering around, I can smell somebody's making coffee. It smells so darn good. I should have went up to their camper and knocked and offered to buy a cup. Not really. I would never go do that. Pretty sunny right now. I don't know if you can see that. All right, we're gonna cross the bridge. I didn't know that little campground was that close. I was just on the little edge of it. Okay, we're gonna start our little gradual climbing this morning. And then we'll get some steeper stuff in a bit. We're still climbing. It's so green down there. There's just a bunch of little, looks like fern. I don't know what that is. It's just really thin little grasses. Looks like a little fairyland. And we're just doing some little gradual climbing up this. Not too bad. See, this is what it is. It's like little grass type stuff. All right. More climbing. Hey there. Well, we are up at one little top area, and I stopped here to take myself a little break, eat some trail mix, drink some water, because then we are going to go 1.9 more miles, and we're gonna, I think we've got to go up like 1,200 feet in that. Then after that, we can start going down. So yeah, it's going good though. I just walk and stop and take a breath and keep going, but that's getting better, I can tell. So this is my view. It might be a little hard for you to see through the trees, but I can see some mountains back over there. All right, I'm gonna finish my snack and then I'm gonna get going. All right, snack time is over. We're going to start this 1.9 mile climb. Come on. We're almost there. Let's keep going. All right. My legs are burning and my lungs are burning, but we made it. So now we're going downhill. Hallelujah. Okay, break time's over. Bad news. 2.5 miles of climbing. Blech. Boo! Okay, let's get going. Hey everyone. Well, we've got 1.2 more miles of climbing. I'm going to tell you, I am sick of climbing. That's what we've been doing all day today. I made it fine this morning. I'm not saying it wasn't hard, but this afternoon, I don't know, I had a lunch break and I've had plenty to drink, but no, it's hard. Okay, I'm gonna quit complaining. I'm gonna take my little break and I'm gonna get that 1.2 miles done. And then it says we're gonna be going down. We better be. Hey everyone, well, I'm still climbing and it's not very much fun at all. If right now someone said, do you want to keep climbing or go home, I would have them drive me home. Probably a good thing no one's here to ask me that. But we have about 0.8 more to go to get to the top, and then we'll be going down. Hey everyone, well, by the grace of God, I made it to the top of this climb, and here's our view. Now it's downhill from here. Woo! Hello everyone. Well, I'm in my tent and I'm getting ready to eat my dinner. I'm having the Mountain House chicken and mashed potato dinner. All I need is some stuffing and cranberry sauce, and I'd have a full-on Thanksgiving meal, because I am thankful for being done with that climbing today. So you already know what my challenge is if you've been watching this today. My challenge was all that climbing. Started off climbing in the morning, did get some downhill to go and take a break and eat lunch, and then started right back up again. So yeah, I think I only went 10 miles. I was just pooped out. I couldn't go anymore. And then it was going to be, you know, I don't know, what was that? I was wanting to go like 3 more miles. So anyway, that's okay. I found a spot. I'm by water. I've got my tent up, and I put my quilt out there just because it was still a little bit moist from this morning. So just to kind of dry that out. But I'm going to eat, and then I'm going to be going to bed. That way I can get up early and hit it again tomorrow. But there's not as much climbing tomorrow. So, you know, there's always some, but not like today. So, and then, you know, I'm an older gal. I'm not like these younger people who can just run up all those hills. So anyway, okay, well, so you know what my challenge is, what I'm thankful for, and my blessing today is there was no rain. None. So that was nice, because I'm glad I just would not have to, I didn't want to have to deal with that on top of all that climbing. So that was my blessing. All right, I hope you all have a wonderful night, and I will talk to you tomorrow.